कनेक्शन बहुत वीक है ना, अपना ही फोन देना होगा। क्या? हाँ।
Good morning, sir.
You hear me? Okay, very good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. I hope I am audible to you. Now, what I am going to say, you listen me very carefully. Yesterday I have shared two videos. Okay. Yesterday I have shared two videos. Okay. In two videos, one was of section ABC and other video was of DEF. Okay. Now, in first video, there was discussion of objective type question, and in second video, there was discussion over the section B question. Next descriptive questions. Okay. Now today, after some time, I will again forward you one of the video in which there is discussion of these questions. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed all these questions in your class. In your class, we have discussed these questions. You can see in your class, I have discussed these questions. Okay, I have discussed these questions. Right? Now, I hope, was it clear to you? Was it clear to you all? Yesterday I have discussed all that question. Was it clear? Was it clear to you? Any problem to you? Tell me. Question 5 नहीं हुआ था. Why food stay fresh longer when stored in refrigerator? That I will do. Okay.
Sir, question 5 नहीं हुआ था.
Okay. That we will do.
Sir, आप उसका 3 और 4 आप बता दिए थे.
ऑडियो में सुनो. जो हम रिकॉर्डिंग तुम्हारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डालते हैं तो वो क्यों डालते हैं? तो उसको तुम क्यों नहीं पूछ रही हो? You are asking with me. You should see there in the recording which has been provided to you for your ready reference. तुम्हारे लिए
Okay, sir.
देखते नहीं. Yesterday we have discussed these questions. Yesterday you would have got two videos. कल तुमको दो वीडियो मिला होगा. एक जो तुम्हारे क्लास में पढ़ाए हैं, one which I have taught you in your class, and other video was related to section D, E, F, that of other class. In that class I have taught. In your class I have taught this, and today I am going to revise. I will share one more video to you. In that I have taught these questions. I will share to you, and today I will continue with question number 5 and question number 6, and I will continue with question number 5. Okay, these questions I will continue. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Let's see. Okay, now I will request you not to make noise. Okay, if you would have any problem, you will ask with me. Now let's see. Okay. according to you, what you are saying that I have not discussed this question. Why food stay fresh in the refrigerator? Okay. This you are saying that I have not discussed. Okay. So let's discuss it. Why food stay fresh when kept in refrigerator? In the refrigerator, the temperature is quite low. The temperature is quite low, and at low temperature, microorganisms cannot grow and multiply. Grow and multiply. Grow and multiply. Hence, food can remain fit for long time. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, I hope if you are having any problem, you will raise your hand. Food. Why does food stay fresh for a long time when stored in the refrigerator? The answer is that in refrigerator the temperature is quite low. The temperature is quite low. ठीक है, टेम्परेचर कितना होता है? टेम्परेचर बहुत कम होता है. Temperature is quite low. Hence, microorganisms do not multiply. Okay, microorganisms do not multiply. Right? I hope you have understood this one. Okay, at the temperature is quite low. Temperature is quite low. Microorganisms do not multiply, do not grow. Okay, now the second option, second reason behind it is at the low temperature, enzymatic actions are also controlled. At the low temperature, enzymatic actions are also controlled. Hence, food do not get spoiled. Let's write it also. Let's write it. Okay, and at low temperature, enzymatic action over fruits and vegetables are quite slow. Hence, fruit and vegetable I hope you have understood it. Enzymatic action over the fruit and vegetable do not get spoiled. I hope it is clear to you. समझ में आ गया होगा. Next question to discuss as a matter of discussion here is give 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. That we will discuss. Okay, give 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. How many of you will wish to answer it? Give 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. How many of you wishes to answer it? Raise your hands. 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. Only those students will raise their hand who wish to answer it. Raising your hand unnecessary, I will make you out. Okay. When you will raise your hand unnecessary, I will move you out. Okay. Okay. Now, raise your hand once. I will unmute all of you at one, and you will discuss it. We will discuss it. Okay. We will discuss it. I will. Okay. Once time will be over. अब हम एक 3 panelists, only 3 students. Only once you raise your hand. Ansika and Pratik. Okay. This will be answered by the Ansika and Pratik. Okay. So Ansika, Pratik and Apurv, now unmute yourself. Ansika, Pratik and Apurv. Okay.
Yes.
Now all of okay. So first it will be discussed by the Ansika. Ansika, come on the screen. Ansika, unmute yourself. Your voice is not audible. Okay, Pratik Kumar, come on the screen. Start your video and come on the screen. Ansika, you wait. Pratik Kumar, come on the screen. Okay, Apurv, now you speak.
So because of the rodents, pesticides, insects, and microorganisms, food gets spoiled.
Get spoiled. So all of you, do you agree with his statements? What he is saying, do you agree, everybody? Do you agree with the statement of Apurv?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you agree with the statement of Apurv? Raise your hands.
Yes, sir.
How many
Sir,
of you agree with the statement? Okay, Ansika is agree, Manya and Abhinav is agree. Anybody else? Rest of you are not agree. Okay, Manya and Abhinav, can you answer it something? Okay, and I have unmuted you. You tell. Tell Manya and Abhinav. बोलो. मान्या बोलो.
सर हमको नहीं बोलना है.
नहीं बोलना है.
हम बोल रहे हैं आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है.
आवाज तो सभी को अच्छा से जा रहा है. चलो अंशिका यू टेल. अंशिका यू टेल.
Yes, sir.
Ansika, okay, you tell.
Yes, sir. The three that spoilage of food is microorganisms, enzymes, insects, worms, and rats.
Once again, you repeat it. Wait, once again, you will repeat it, okay? Wait. Once again, you repeat it.
Sir? Okay, sir.
Tell.
Yes, sir. The three reasons for spoilage of foods are microorganisms, enzymes, worms, rats.
It is not microorganization, it is microorganisms, okay? Aryan Bhadani.
Yes, sir.
Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The factor for responsible for a spoilage of food and wastage of food are growth of microorganisms and enzymes and insects.
Okay. So what you have said, I have written here. Microorganisms, the growth of microorganisms spoil the food, and microorganisms tend to grow more and more due to two conditions. One is due to warm temperature, and another is due to moisture. Now, how does microorganism grow? Microorganism grow due to moisture and due to temperature. Okay, warm temperature. Now, there second is the action of enzymes. Okay, second is the action of enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes are present in fruit and vegetables. They are responsible for ripening. Over secretion of enzyme lead to the spoilage of fruit and vegetables. Okay. Any problem? And third one you have said about the rodents and pests and insects. Okay, rodent, pests and insects. Okay. Next we have okay, after rodents means so like a snake and the rat, they are kept inside the rodents. Okay, जो कुतर कर खाना खाता है उसको rodents कहते हैं. ठीक है, rodent, pests and insect. Okay, if the food are stored properly, if the food is stored improperly, they attract the rodents.
और साइंस में भी चैप्टर 6 का डी भेज देना.
Okay, I hope you have understood it. So now let's see about the next question. Okay, All of you, please raise your hand about the next question. Okay, all of you raise your hand about the next question that I'm going to ask. Okay. All of you raise your hand. See, the next question is, how is food preservation helpful to us? Raise your hands.
Science.
Raise your hands. Avantika, mute yourself. Avantika, mute yourself. Aman Kumar, mute yourself. Avantika and Aman Kumar, mute yourself. Okay. Next. Who will say, how is food preservation helpful for us? Okay. Here are the 4 panelists: Aryan Bhadani, Divya Bharti, Kulbhaskar and Anshika Kumari. I am going to unmute all of them. 20 बार अगर हाथ उठा के नीचे गिराओगे ना तो हम भगा देंगे. एक बार सुन लो. Don't irritate me. मजाक बना के रख दिया है. नाम लिखेंगे और भगा देंगे. देखो आगे निकालने दो पेज, हमको सामने रखने दो पेज. तो इस तमाशा खड़ा करेगा उसको भगाएंगे यहाँ से. चलो दिव्या भारती, कुलभास्कर एंड अंशिका, unmute yourself. I have unmuted you. Divya Bharti, okay, unmute. Kulbhaskar is unmute. Anshika is also unmute. Okay. कौन इस तरह से हल्ला कर रहा है? चलो, first of all, it will be answered by the Divya Bharti, class 5A. First, Divya Bharti, come on the screen. हाँ.
It helps to maintain the true value of food. It makes seasonal food available throughout the year. It decreases wastage of food by preventing decay or spoilage of food.
Okay, very good. Next, Kulbhaskar, come on the screen. Kulbhaskar, start your video. Kulbhaskar. Okay. Go speak. I cannot hear you, Kulbhaskar. Kulbhaskar, I cannot hear you. Unmute yourself. Okay, you write in the chat mode. Anshika.
Yes, sir.
Anshika, you tell the answer. You tell the answer. Tell the answer, Anshika. Okay, network connection is very weak from your side. Okay. Now you can as well, you have, many of you have answered. Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. प्रियांशु कुमार 5D. चलो देखो आवाज आ रहा है. All of you, are you getting my voice? Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you hear me? Okay. So next, let's see what they have said. Okay, how food preservation is helpful to us. Okay, देखो यहाँ पर लिखा भी हुआ है. I have answered it. Okay. Yes, you can answer in the chat mode. It helps to maintain the nutritive value. You can see I have written the answer. Okay, it helps us to maintain the nutritive value of the food. Okay. It helps to maintain the nutritive value, right? I hope you have understood it. Second, nutritive value मतलब खाना में जो तत्व होता है, जो न्यूट्रिशन होता है, like carbohydrates, nutritive, it maintain the nutritive value of food. Okay, nutritive value of food. Okay. Second, seasonal fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year. सालों भर खाना खाने को मिलता है. ठीक है, सालों भर, ईयरली. ठीक है. और आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. देखो आवाज आ रहा है। It decreased the wastage of food by stopping the spoilage.
आपकी आवाज अब
Okay. It add
हट
variety of
गई
foods.
है।
It
प्लीज
add
फिर
variety
से
of
रिपीट
foods in
करिए।
our diet. Okay. It increase the food life as perishable food can be preserved for the long time. So these are perishable means सड़ने और गलने वाला। ठीक है, perishable का मतलब क्या होता है? सड़ने और गलने वाला। ठीक है, food which is spoiled is called perishable. ठीक है, let's see here. I'm going to write it here. Okay. Perishable means सड़ने गलने वाला, जो खराब हो जाता है। ठीक है, पेरिशेबल का मतलब समझ गए होंगे। फूड कैन बी प्रिजर्व फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम। ओके, आई होप दिस आंसर इज क्लियर टू यू। Now we have the next question. Why it is necessary to check the, this is the last question. Why it is necessary to check the manufacturing date and the expiry date of the food component before we consume them? How many of you will answer this question? How many of you will answer this question? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Kulbhaskar, unmute yourself. Kulbhaskar, unmute yourself. Okay, go ahead. Speak. Kulbhaskar. बोलो कुलभास्कर, बोलो। तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, बोलो। चलो अपूर्व सिंह 5E, बोलो।
यस सर।
हम्म,
सर हमें इसलिए चेक करना चाहिए क्योंकि सर हमें हमें जरूरी है कि
सर पता है।
तुम बहुत बोलती हो बीच में। ठीक है, जब बीच में बोलना नहीं है, जब यू रेज योर हैंड इफ यू नो, बीच में बोलना क्या जरूरी है। चलो, कोई बोल रहा था अपूर्व सिंह, वंस अगेन यू कंटिन्यू योरसेल्फ, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड कंटिन्यू। अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
यस सर, मैं बोल
अनम्यूट।
रही हूँ एक्सपायरी डेट क्योंकि सर अगर वो एक्सपायर होगा और हम लोग चेक नहीं करेंगे सर हम लोग के हेल्थ के लिए बहुत खराब हो सकता है।
Yes, Raj 5F, unmute yourself. Yes, Raj 5F, unmute yourself.
सर हमको बोलना था ना कि 1, 2, 4 का सारा नोट्स भेज दीजिए सर, न्यू स्टूडेंट है।
Yes, Raj, बोलो। Yes, Raj, बोलो।
सर हमको बोलना था कि सर न्यू स्टूडेंट है 1, 2, 4 का क्वेश्चन से भेज देने के लिए।
जब हम रिवीजन कराएंगे ना, जब हम रिवीजन कराएंगे इसको, ठीक है, इस पूरे साइंस का जब हम रिवीजन कराएंगे तो हम तुमको और बता देंगे, और हम अपने फ्रेंड से बोलो, ठीक है, किसी से बोलो, ग्रुप में किसी से मांग लो, ठीक है। और कोई दिक्कत
सर।
होगा तो हमसे फिर हमसे फोन करके पूछ लेना, हम पढ़ा भी देंगे कभी, ठीक है। किसी से
यस सर।
कनेक्ट हो जाओगे तो हम पढ़ा भी देंगे, ठीक है। और
यस
कोई
सर।
दिक्कत, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
यस राज।
यस राज। सो
यस सर।
व्हेन यू ज्वाइन दिस स्कूल?
सर ये
कब से तुम एडमिशन लिए हो? कब एडमिशन लिए? I cannot hear you. Okay. Yes, Raj, I cannot hear you. Unmute yourself. Okay. Now let's write the question. Let's see what will be the answer. Why we should see the manufacturing and expiry date. Okay, manufacturing and expiry date. During the duration between the manufacturing, the duration between manufacturing date and expiry date tells us about the wellness and goodness of food. What is wellness and goodness? खाना खाने लायक है कि नहीं है, अच्छा है कि नहीं है. It tell about the wellness and goodness of food. If the duration between the manufacturing date and the expiry date is less, duration between the manufacturing date and expiry date, मान लो manufacturing date है और expiry date के बीच में 1 महीना सिर्फ बच गया है, ठीक है. अगर वो कम समय है, ठीक है, तो duration between manufacturing date and expiry date is less, the food is near to spoil and we may consume and we may fall ill. ठीक है. ड्यूरेशन बिटवीन करंट डेट, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट नहीं लिखेंगे, ठीक है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट यहाँ नहीं लिखेंगे, करंट डेट लिख देंगे. करंट डेट एंड एक्सपायरी डेट इज लेस, ड्यूरेशन बिटवीन द करंट डेट मतलब आज का डेट और एक्सपायरी डेट जो उस पर लिखा हुआ है, अगर दोनों में अगर मान लो समय का अंतर अगर कम है तो खाना खराब होने वाला है, और खराब खाना को जब हम खाएंगे तो हम बीमार भी पड़ सकते हैं. ठीक है. दिस इज, आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. ठीक है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. Any problem? Today I will forward it in your group. Today I will forward it. Okay. Explain the following. Explain the following method. Or explain the following method of food preservation. Okay. Now who will say? Who will say dehydration? Who will say dehydration? Who will say dehydration? Raise your hands. Any new face? Okay, I will give this chance to Kulbhaskar. Kulbhaskar, come on the screen. Kulbhaskar, come on the screen. Kulbhaskar, come on the screen.
अभी रुको ना थोड़ा सा.
Kulbhaskar, come on the screen.
Sir, in this process, water content of the food stuff is removed. The cells most microorganisms part of the grow. They cannot multiply grow in dried foods. सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ canning and process. Canning in cooking food, selling it's stable cans
Kulbhaskar, what are you doing? Kulbhaskar, what you have done? Why you have shared the screen? Kulbhaskar, come on the screen. Come on the screen. Call your parents. 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 Kulbhaskar, call your parents. Call your parents. Kulbhaskar, call your parents. Don't try to be over smart that you are not hearing me. I have unmuted you. I have unmuted you. Don't try to be over smart that you are not hearing me. Okay, call your parents. Next, Ansika Kumari. I will remove this boy first. Kul Bhaskar. Why he has shared the screen without permission? Who is Kul Bhaskar here? Already he has left. Now Avantika, Navani, who is Divya Bharati? Come on the screen, unmute yourself. Divya Bharati, come on the screen. I have unmuted you to tell the answer. Divya Bharati, class 5F. Anybody else who wish to answer? Ansika Kumari, unmute yourself. Ansika Kumari, unmute yourself. Okay. Let me discuss it. Okay. Let me discuss it. Okay. First is the dehydration. This is removal of water component of food. Tell me. Tell me.
In this process, water content of the food stuff is removed. Since most
Yes.
microorganisms need water to grow, they cannot multiply or grow on direct food. Many vegetables like onions and cauliflower are dried to preserve them.
Okay. Then who will say canning and bottling? Who will say canning and bottling? Anybody of you? Raise your hand. Who will say about the Apurva saying okay. Canning and bottling. This is the last question, I think. Okay. Canning and bottling.
No, sir.
Okay. Who will say? Apurv. Apurv Singh 5A. Unmute. I have unmuted you. Say. Tell me. I cannot hear you. I hope you have understood it. Canning and bottling. This is the prepared food is packed in airtight sterilized container. Sterilized container. Now the container is totally sterilized and it do not contain germs, worms. Okay. Hence the food remain sterilized. का मतलब कि एकदम without germs. Okay. Sterilized means without germ, without germs. Okay. Sterilized means without germs. Okay. Any problem? So I hope you have understood the sterilized. Then it is pasteurization. Pasteurization, it is a process of food preservation in which heating is followed by cooling. Okay. Example of this type is the milk. Example of this type is the milk. I hope all of you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? And there is one more question. Rakesh brought 2 raw papaya. He kept 1 papaya in the refrigerator and other papaya in kitchen cell. Which one will ripen first and why? Okay. There is a last question. Okay, let's see it. Let's see. Last question. Rakesh brought 2 papaya. Okay, Rakesh brought 2 papaya. One One he kept in the refrigerator, and another he kept in the kitchen shelf, right? Which one will get ripen? Which one will get ripen and why? Who will answer this question? Which one will get ripen and why? फ्रिज वाला पहले पकेगा या किचन वाला पकेगा? चलो आंसर करो चैट मोड में. You can answer it in the chat mode. Which one will get ripen and why? You answer it in the chat mode. कौन वाला पहले पकेगा बताओ? अंशिका कुमारी.
सर आपके बात एक और बार आपको
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है तुम्हारा. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. चलो लेट्स सी. Okay. The papaya, which is kept
सर
on the,
हमको सर
बोलो.
सर जो किचन में रखा है सर, क्योंकि सर in the when temperature increases sir, there is a growth of enzymes and
Correct. Because there the enzymatic action, because at normal temperature the enzymatic are ripen first, whereas in refrigerator less, and it will ripen later. I hope you have understood it. I hope you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? So I will share it in your WhatsApp group. I will share it in your WhatsApp group. You will learn it. Okay. I will share it in your WhatsApp group. You will learn it. And I will also share the video. You will see it, both the video of class first session and the second session, both I will share, and you will observe it very carefully. Okay. And you also subscribe the channel DAV CRRC Gaya, in which I used to post the video. Okay, subscribe it. Click on the subscribe button so that all of you might get the notification of the video. Okay. Any problem to anybody? Thus the class is over. और किसी को कोई दिक्कत?